Hi guys, welcome to Learning Snippets. In this video, we are going to look into the installation of Arduino IDE and also we'll look into a simple LED blink project using Arduino. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser, search for Arduino IDE download. Here is the official website, click on it. Click on Windows 7 or newer link. Click on just download. Wait for the download to be completed and then click on the file and follow the steps. Once the installation is done, click on close and open the Arduino IDE. Meanwhile, we are connecting the Arduino board with our system. In this list, I am selecting Arduino MEGA since I am using Arduino MEGA. You can select according to the board that you have, either Arduino UNO or any other. Here is a problem. This port option is not enabled. We need this port enabled to upload any code in the Arduino. Let's see how to solve this. We need an external driver for this. Let's see how to install that external driver. Now the driver is installed successfully and now the port is enabled. You need to select the port. We can avoid this port disabled issue by connecting the Arduino with our system even before starting the installation of this Arduino IDE. Now we are going to do a simple LED blink project with the code which is already there in the IDE. I am changing both the delay values to 300 milliseconds. Once the upload is completed, you could see the LED is blinking. Have a look at the rate at which the LED is blinking. Now we are changing the value to 100. And now the LED is blinking at a faster rate comparing to the previous one. We are going to do lot many Arduino projects in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.